This is a 2009 Honda Odyssey EX, one owner, 109,000 miles. It's in good condition. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. Alloy wheels. It's the EX model, so it has power sliding doors. Low mileage Honda Odyssey in a price range that most are looking for. So it has gray cloth interior. Ice cold AC. It's 109,000 miles. Sliding doors. It does have the ace seat. They call it the jump seat, which is right there. It is removable. No rips, stains, wear marks. Very good. Interior is immaculate. Tires are in great shape. So this is a 2009 Honda Odyssey EX, one owner, 109,000 miles, in very good condition for its age.